can see, it's almost 10:30 in the morning and there's already a backup on the boat ramp waiting to launch off. Now what I noticed is making all the backup at the boat ramp is that people want to get down on their car and pay with the little pay stand. Now what they don't know, I guess, is that you could go ahead and download the app and pay the ramp fee while you're waiting in line, and you kind of make things a little smoother and a little faster. But I guess it's something that people are not used to yet. And we're launching off the big hydro. Now the trailer in this boat is not that hard. The only problem is that I have to submerge almost the whole trailer, like you noticed, because this boat has a very deep V. But we're ready to go, and like you noticed, the skies are semi-cloudy, but that's not stopping us. And today we have a full boat. Gabby's taking her friend, Ogita's taking her friend, and I'm taking along my brother and his son. So it's gonna be a full day of fun. And you guys are coming along for the ride.
my god, I almost got
it. One good tip if you're coming to the sandbar and anchoring is to have two anchors, one for the bow and one for the stern. Well, you gotta put them boating terms in. But yeah, the front and the back. Like that, when the tide changes, it tends to turn your boat around. And like that, you don't hit or run into other boats near you.
Is it cleaned up? Oh yeah, it is.
Guys are my saddles today.
Turn the other way! Please, you guys don't know how to ride.
go, do we go? How do you jump? Holy crap. I go. Do we move out the way? Go jump.
Whoa, like you noticed, the kids really enjoy the hardtop. They love jumping in the water. And I also noticed today that the water is crystal clear. I mean, it hasn't been like that in a while here. I guess maybe they changed the seasons or something.
Healthy food. Yeah, listen. Mandarins and chicken curry.
Fresco.
Well, hold on, let's see what's that. Yeah, I know. Okay, hold on, man. So we're here once again, another weekend at Miami, all over Sandbar, enjoying. It's kind of cloudy today, like you guys can see, but it doesn't matter to me, and it doesn't matter to the people here. Just here, hanging out, having a good day. And you know how it is. You can't come to the Sandbar, I can't have ice cream. What's up, dude? All right, well, let's do whatever. We hanging out with Lázaro, disfrutando el día aquí de jet skis. Great, 2019, baby. Yeah, here, having fun. You already know. Yep. What's it? Jonathan, okay, we're hanging out here. Check it out. If you haven't come, you gotta come. You guys got jet skis?
You're missing out, man. If you're not out here, you're missing out.
Yeah.
And a kayak and a jet ski or a boat, you gotta get out here somehow. Swimming,
It don't matter. Just get here.
get it somehow.
Yo, super nice. So which one's yours?
Mine's out right there.
Oh, nice. Oh, wait, let me ask you. So tell me what you really think about Sea-Doo.
I love Sea-Doo, man. I used to be a Yamaha guy. I like Sea-Doo now.
Okay, I'm gonna try out the Sea-Doo, see how it works.
You'll love it.
All right.
It's a Lamborghini in the water. That's all I can say.
Well, I like that. Lamborghini of the water. I like that.
That's what I can describe it, man.
All
I
right.
get a lot of hate for it, though. Everything coming under.
What did you have to do?
Yeah, we did it. Now we're making another one. Look. How did it go?
chilling in Miami Sandbar.
Yo, we saw some beer pong and thumbs. That's all I see out here.
What? No? What you doing?
Rated R.
Rated R.
Yes, rated R.
What's a rated R?
No.
I'm over 21.
Yes, but I am taken.
What? Alright.
It's great to see the Miami Fire Rescue ready to help and the police department keeping everything under control. But after a great day of fun here with the family and friends at the Sandbar, it's about that time. It's time to go home.